I'm Mark Sudonk with GSG. Today in the Applications Lab, I want to talk to you about Vortex Low Bleed, Low Cure White Ink. This is a low cure, low bleed white plastisol. It's fantastic for printing on 50/50s, tri-blends, and even polyester. But remember, anytime you print on polyester with a low bleed, low cure ink, as well as a poly white, you want to test that garment because some polyester garments will degrade a lot worse than others will. So you always want to make sure you test it first. Vortex Low Bleed, Low Cure White Ink has a really nice matte finish. It has a really creamy texture to it. It's very easy to print, flows through the screens very well, even up to somewhere around that 230 up to 305 mesh counts. It's also excellent for manual as well as automatic printing. Vortex Low Bleed, Low Cure White Ink is a featured product in our Apparel Decorating Pulse magazine. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for information on all the line of Vortex inks, visit gogsg.com, and thanks for watching.